Beyond the walls that we settle in is a place we never think of as home. However far we may feel from it, it continues to shape us, feeds us, calms us, and unites us. It's there for us. Now is the time to ask, are we there for it? We all can do better. We at Merrell are setting goals. By 2025, everything we make will include recycled, organic, or renewable materials, helping inspire and heal the most inclusive and empowering place that is right outside. But most importantly, protecting what has protected us. This is home, Merrell.